হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে। কেমন আছেন সবাই? আশা করি অনেক 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 ভালো আছেন। তো আপনাদের যারা বস যারা আছেন, বসদের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি। পাইথনটা আসলে আমি আমার ফেভারিট, এই জন্য অনেকে বলে থাকেন, আমাকে অনেকে কমেন্ট করছেন পাইথন প্রোগ্রামিং গ্রুপে। So many people also commented on me and on my works. So Python is pretty much like a script or kind of English drama, which is not true actually. So, like, probably you can do Python in different things into Python shit or Python IDE, but it's not easy though. That's the thing. Okay, whatever you want to do, but I'm not doing Python today. I'll be basically going on to uh, very OOP uh, timesheets and working methods so that I can, uh, you know, work on some projects. So probably I will do something today regarding like credit checking application for approval. So it could be either car or home or house. Okay, any kind of property dot cpp, and you never save it into anything else, so that you don't have to worry about that. Okay. For by the way, people who does with the VS Code extension, they can definitely go with those extension things. But if they don't want to go with VS Code, definitely VS Studio. I mean, Visual Studio would be definitely another platform for C++, Notepad, C++ plus extended IDE, and also you can do into at home. So you have so many other options. So it's all your choice. Mhm. So whenever you do this, for example, mm, if you just go without uh, standard method, okay, so that you don't have to worry about anything, you can do multiple times or okay. So what I'm trying to say is here, it is not going to let you happen. Okay, there is a reason behind it. So data people or data science people, they basically did this way. So even though it doesn't work, and here it's this error gone. So before doing everything, definitely namespace. And namespace is definitely needed so that you don't have to face with any error. So without with when you just using namespace, so definitely you can reduce this stuff. Without that also you can run the program. So let me go with this particular things right now. So you probably making a platform for the user or user's name, password, for not password, users. I mean your client's name, full name, date of birth, and so many other things. So date of birth probably you can do like this. Date of birth equals it's a camel case. Mm, and or you can go with uh, other ways, which is snake kind of uh, data type. So you can go with without camel case of that's the other ways also, which is probably you need a data birth, oh, social security. Mm, numbers. Okay. And you can go with the address, or you can go with the street name, name, string, street number. Then you can go with the zip code, which is int. You cannot go string with the street number. You can go with the integer, and zip code probably you can go with double code. Okay, and just go with the flow. And EIN, which is name. So you didn't put your name yet. So string name, string last name. Okay, so you just did it this way. First name and last name. Just go with the first name. You can go however you want to go, but you have to stick with the same thing. First name. So probably you just go here. Now you can go with this way as well. For example, Asim or something. Then, okay. So just making a command here. Then, yeah. So for Python, you basically define the system and you basically tell them what is going on. But on C++ or Java, so you have different things. So, mm, okay. Okay. Now you indicate that your last name is working. I'm just making it. There's nobody named Bandy. So I hey first name. I'm not gonna go for else right now. You can go with the because it is his criteria. It's his name is Kasim and all. Well, else when it is else, then you just go with this count. And hey, I could not find your last name. First name is not okay. Just make a statement. Okay. So something I guess like that. Or like I can show you this other criterias which is for CPP. You can go with this switch things or even the loop things is something else like that. This is not loop and this is also if else. So basically for this condition you making this I'm not going for loop or switching right now. So these are the things. Basically, you did if this and that, and then else. This else, just go for this. I'm not sure how many. Okay, so this is the thing happened basically. So, so we did a mistake here, not to given this, and this is the else been done, given it to them, and this thing, this curly bracket did not ended up here. You have another curly bracket here. Too many things, I guess. This is all nice until now. So you have this else, and then you have after this, you have another else. So what I did for first name and last name, it is pretty much clear, and that it showed the first name and last name is valid or not valid. If it is not valid, even though you could go with so many other stuff, which is like, yeah, would you like to go place with this or not? If it is not, then this. Okay, then you can go with else if. Else if. This is basically else if for this if condition. Okay, and first name is equals something, which is not gonna work because else if after this bracket, if then you go for first name. First name equals s, I guess. Then see it error removed. So you just go for this name is uh, probably recognizable. Okay, then just go for out. Please specify with your phone number. Okay. Uh, then you go for enter your phone number and phone number. Mhm. Why this C out? Oh, yeah. So, okay. So you have this integration, identification for that phone number. Now can you go with the switch? No, because let me tell you why. Switch phone number case 347. Excuse me, 347. Cancel out. This is your dial up. So for the for this case, so if it is this, then this. This has to be for the switching. And this 716 state county buff dial. Okay. So you just go with those conditions, and this conditioning definitely go for your phone number items. And still, you gotta go with your phone number things. So then you just go with the condition if phone number is equals 456 789 6756. Count dial up. Okay, I just made it. Count number 897 667 5434. But again, up is correct. Just name, define it, extension. Just define it here, muffle extension. Okay. Okay. Then you close with your else define with So this is a very, very simple code. Simple and very simple. Okay? Whatever you want to go with, you can go with. Okay. I don't know. Let's see if I have anything wrong here. Okay, let's run it. You can go with the F6. Compiled successfully. Please enter your first name, Kasim. Hey Kasim, would you like to go with your last name, please? You'll enter your last name. Abdi. Hey, I could not find your last name. Kasim is not valid. Or last name Abdi is not valid. It didn't print because I didn't code like that way. And you close it and you do for F6. Okay, Kasim, what you did for your last name? Could you look for that? Monday. Your last name, BNDY. Hey, Kasim Bande. Okay, it just wanted for your first name and last name. So when you recognize that first name and last name, then we're gonna go for his phone number, date of birth, and so many and so on with your switch conditions and sometimes obviously switching. So you can go with that also if you want. And that's all for today. And I'll go definitely go with so many other stuff later on for sure. And thank you so much for today. আপনারা সবাই ভালো থাকবেন অনেক অনেক কোড করুন কোড রাজারা কোড কিংসরা অবভিয়াসলি কোড করুন কোড করতে করতে মাইন্ড ফ্রেশ হয় obviously C++, it's a fun game, dangerous game too sometimes. Python, whatever you choose. Okay, God bless you. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep coding, and keep learning. Take care.